Can AI design a robotic arm? I asked this question and the result was not what I expected. Hi everyone! Last time we built a simple robotic gripper, but a gripper alone is kind of useless. So I really want to build a whole robotic arm so that we can make it more useful. So today let's build a robotic arm together. So first I asked AI what's the process to design a robotic arm. It suggests 4-degree freedom arm. That's good for beginners. It mentions Arduino, SG90 servos, power supply. It gives a step-by-step plan. Even though I prefer Python and my Raspberry Pi Pico, the advice was still relevant. It also suggested existing designs. The answer was pretty solid, so I thought, okay, AI, you are smart, so just design the arm for me. I tried a free AI CAD tool, so I put as prompt, design a 4-degree freedom robotic arm, fully 3D printable, using SG90 servos. After 20 to 30 minutes, here is what I got. Just random blocks, weird holes, things that don't even connect. Yeah, sorry, this is not a robotic arm. Okay, step back. Maybe AI is better at concepts than CAD. So I asked it to generate a robotic arm design, and it actually looked pretty cool, very cute, colorful. I liked the style, but mechanically there are missing motors, the joints are quite fake, and it's a decorative gripper. Yeah, basically looks like a robot but can't move at all. So here is what I learned. AI is great at ideas and the guidance, but not ready to design the real robots alone. So I changed the strategy. I let AI guide the decisions, and I did the engineering. So I chose the motors with AI, defined the scope. I even asked AI to pick a name for my robot. He suggested PicoPal. That's quite cute. So I started with a quick sketch. Yeah, I'm not very good at drawing. Thankfully, CAD exists. Instead of designing everything in detail, I started simple. I used the cylinders for base, blocks for links, and holes for joints. So in robotics, link just means the rigid parts. Like for human, it could be the arm and the forearm, they are links. And then the joints, it's the connection between links. Like for human, elbow connects upper arm and the forearm. AI. So one amazing tip from AI is using parameters while doing the CAD design for OnShape. So I can change dimensions instantly instead of redesigning everything. And one tip from me is name your features. Future you will thank you. Next, let's assemble all these parts. Then I assembled everything using revolute joints. It means a rotation around one axis. So I also used the features in OnShape like colors, transparency while designing. It makes life way easier. And then I imported the real servo motors. At this stage, I just want to have good proportions of my parts, get some smooth motion, and validate the range of motion. Okay, this took a lot of time, but now we have a working initial design. Next step, detailed design, printing, and building the real robot. So if you want to see PicoPal come to life, stay tuned. Thanks a lot. See you next time.